Friendship, loyalty, respect. These are the values that unite soldiers across the globe. Today, we showcase a special example, the enduring friendship between the Croatian Army and the U.S. Army. Joint training exercises are more than just tactics and strategy. They are opportunities for exchanging experiences, learning new skills, and building bridges of friendship. Our soldiers, alongside their American counterparts, learn from each other, sharing knowledge and experience gained from diverse missions. These joint exercises are a testament to the excellence of the Croatian Army. Our soldiers are professionals, ready to face any challenge. And together with the U.S. Army, we become stronger, more capable. The friendship between Croatia and the United States is long-standing and strong. These joint exercises further solidify this powerful bond.
When we train, we see what is our pluses, what is minus, and we can fix it. You know? So really gonna help, because cooperation between two armies is much better.
Few of us had an experience also against them now. Military exercises.
It's not the first time we went to the company and battalion level exercises further on during this rotation. My first sergeant and his first sergeant and COIC platoon sergeant are doing an outstanding job, like communicating, and everything is working well. How do you see this as part of the assassination?
Well, for me, it's a great opportunity to work with you, because I always can teach and learn something new from you. And as you said, we use the same doctrine, but our operability is always useful, and we always learn something new from you. As you know, we learned something about IPV teams. We didn't use these teams before that exercise, so this is one example for what we learn here. So I think our combined training is very useful, and I think we need more training like this, because our interoperability is what we have to do to work together.
Together, we build a more secure future for our nations and the world. The Croatian Army, a source of national pride. And together with our American friends, we stand firm and ready.
I know that. Stand by. Storm, grid, 3, over, 3.
My name is First Lieutenant Jesse McMaster, Jessemacmaster. A joint fires observer is one who can call for fire from many different assets, not just indirect, but also naval gunfire, air to surface, from Army attack aviation or from the Air Force, Marines, you name it, and work with joint fires of other nations. Doing here is really important for Battle Group Poland because we are learning each other's differences and similarities in the call for fire process. In the case of a conflict, we are not fumbling around trying to figure out each other's methods and learning how to work with each other. Working with other countries just feels to me like an opportunity of a lifetime. I can't imagine doing this. This is like the luckiest time of my life, and I know my soldiers love it and would want to keep doing it. Each nation is so kind and welcoming, and we love learning each other's ways and each other's cultures. Each nation that we work with brings a different firing asset to the table. And so this brings us the opportunity to work with those firing assets that we never would otherwise. And same for them. We bring firing assets to them that they can also work with, and it increases our lethality. Incredible opportunities here at this battle group in Poland, working with other countries. As a JFO, I had the chance to talk to an Estonian JTAC, a joint terminal aircraft controller, and an Italian pilot, and talk directly to that Italian pilot and coordinate negotiable close air support from on top of the captain. I can't imagine anything more fun than that. The Joint Fires Observer provides timely and accurate targeting information. It enables the warfighter to be more lethal, bring more firing assets to the table.
Ali u biti iz tog razloga se mi i obučavamo da bi shvatili i prevladali jednostavno te razlike koje postoje